Welcome back to Be Open to Wealth. I'll show you how to work less and achieve more, seriously. Ready for the shortcuts to daily success? Let's dive in. First, start with your top 3 priorities. Don't let your to-do list run your life. Second, use the 2-minute rule. If a task takes less than 2 minutes, do it right now. Third, batch similar tasks together so your brain stays focused. No more multitasking madness. Fourth, schedule distraction-free sprints. Set a timer, close those tabs, and see how fast you fly. Fifth, learn to say no to time wasters. Sixth, automate what you can. Set reminders, use templates, or try productivity apps. And finally, reward yourself. Even small wins deserve a fist bump. Work smart, not hard, and make every day a win. Which hack will you try first? Drop it in the comments. Thank you for watching.